Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I'm going to show and tell you how to get verified on TikTok. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, we need to go to TikTok. After that, go to our profile and click on this button. After that, click Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click Report a Problem. Here we must scroll down and click Submit a Report. And here we must paste next text. Paste. Dear TikTok team, I'm a social content creator, and it would be nice if I can get a blue badge on TikTok. After that, click Submit, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.